Vanakkam and hello friends. Today let us see how to stitch a face mask at home using a sewing machine. I am a beginner using a sewing machine and I have been able to stitch this mask successfully. So definitely anyone can try it though you are not a pro or an expert using a sewing machine. This particular type of mask was being accepted in the hospitals here in Seattle when they were running out of PPEs. Definitely, this particular mask is very good to be used when you go in public places as it has multiple layers of cotton cloth and a filter pocket wherein you can insert either a filter piece or a cotton cloth for extra protection. Here are the things that we need to stitch this mask. Cotton cloth that is 15 inches long and 7.5 inches wide, elastic 7 inches long 2 pieces and twist tie 6 inches. If you do not have a twist tie, you can use either a garden wire or floral wire as seen here. You have to make 2 or 3 folds of it so it is thick enough and sturdier. Now let's get started. This is the cloth which is 15 inches long and 7.5 inches wide. You want to fold it in half. So we are reversing the cloth. I'm going to stitch the top part here. You'll stitch 1.5 to 2 inches this side and 1.5 to 2 inches the other side and leave the middle part open. So here we go. And back stitch. Remove this. It's the other side now, about 1/4 inch away from the edge. Back stitch and stop when it is 2 inches away. So you see this like this and there's an opening in the center. Okay, now you want to open up the 1/4 inch of this cloth here like this and press it down. You can use an iron box and press, but I am just pressing it with my hand here like this, and then take one of the sides and make a stitch about 1/8 inch, that is half of this 1/4 inch, and go down all the way, but on the right side of the cloth. So insert it like this. And hold the cloth. Back stitch. Go all the way, hold it and then go all the way. And reverse stitch. And remove the cloth outside. And then cut off the threads. So now you see that we have stitched it like this. And now you want to leave a 1/4 inch above this fold. And you want to insert the elastic, one edge of the elastic to this end here like this from the inside. So you are going to insert it in the fold that we made just now and stitch about 1/8 or 1/4 inch away from the edge. Back stitch, go all the way down. Stop when you are almost to the end of it, and now pull the other edge of the elastic from inside. See that it is flat and straight, not twisted, and then bring it to the other corner of this. So you should be able to hold on to the edge here like this, and see that it is flat and on the right direction, and hold it away on the top side, and then stitch it all the way down. And back stitch. So this side is done now, and now we are going to do the other side. So take the other elastic and insert it from this side and hold it here at the edge of the cloth and start stitching it from the top. Again, place it about 1/4 inch away from the edge and start stitching it. Back stitch. And go all the way to 3/4 of that, and then go ahead and pull your elastic. Keep it flat and nice without being twisted, and pull it up to the edge like this and insert it there, and then start stitching all the way down. Make sure that you don't stitch the elastic at the top. It has to just get fixed at the bottom of the cloth. Back stitch. So we have stitched both the edges with the elastic, and now we are going to invert it, reverse to the right side. So it should look like this, and this is the pocket for extra layer actually. It can be of any kind of filter or again another cloth piece. And then now we are going to insert the twist tie here for the nose piece, because this is the top part of the mask. So like this, the nose piece, the twist tie has to go inside, and you'll make a stitch on the top. When you stitch on the top, again be careful that you don't stitch this opening. This needs to be there. Keep it right in the center. Hold on to it and make this little fold here and start stitching it here like this. So be sure that you don't stitch on the elastic, and hold to the twist tie nicely inside and stitch at the edge on the top. Back stitch. And my twist tie is moving, so I'm going to push it further inside and hold it, and then continue the stitch. Back stitch and remove it. So that is done. So your twist tie is now inside here, and you have the stitch like this. So, and this pocket is still there, the opening, and now we are going to make the pleats. Let's cut this off. So we are going to make 3 pleats here. Let me just push this off. Make sure that you do not make these pleats on the same side as the filter opening. They need to be on the other side, and each pleat can be of about half an inch. Once you make the pleats, pin them at the edges to keep the fold till you stitch. And now we want to stitch 1/4 inch away or just to the edge of it. So I removed the pins and I'm going to stitch down here. Hold the folds. You can stitch even along with the pins. Back stitch. If you had stitched along with the pins, now you can remove them from the mask. That's done like this, and the other side now. Hold the folds tightly. Back stitch. Cut all the extra threads, and here is your mask that's ready now. And you can see that there's this pouch for the filter, so you want to have it like that. And this is the mask that is ready for you. This is the inside that goes on the face, and this is the outside. I'm definitely glad that I learned to stitch this type of a mask. This has not only helped my family but also the community where I live. I have also been able to volunteer to stitch these masks and deliver at the hospitals in my locality. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please do share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon again in another video.